Let's scrap a microwave today. Welcome to the channel. Glad you could join me. We're going to make this, hopefully this will be informative. I have a little magnet over here that ironically, it came from a microwave. And I will demonstrate where it comes from, how you can remove them safely. I'm working on getting a new camera so that I can post more. It's kind of hard to make videos on a phone and to have them look decent. There we go. These have silver in them. And a tad bit of copper. When I do microwaves, the wire that goes underneath for the rotator, I just cut that. It's not, that little bit of wire is not worth going hog wild over. This little safety up here has silver in it as well. This one here is not being nice to me. There, we got that out of there. I know some of you may be thinking, oh, why don't you just, just cut the wires out and these little connectors. Might as well get copper wire price for them rather than shred. What's going on here? see, all I had to do was twist it. Oh well. Not much wire in this one. Okay, when it comes to microwaves, always this scary, oh, it has that radiation thing in it, and if it's not running, it's not going to get you any radiation. You're not going to get radiation from it. So, if you don't want to mess with it, all you got to do is pull this end cap off. So, clip, one piece of copper. Second piece of copper. Okay, now you can just, if you're afraid of it, you can just leave it alone. But, like I said, I use little magnets just for demonstration purposes. I will take this one out. Always it's been a question, well, how's it come apart? And how can I do it safely? Alright, first, this part here, this pink part here, that's the part that, this is the substance that is in question about it getting airborne, and it's bad for you. So what we're going to do is, so not too disturbed that. This one has screws. Oftentimes, it'll be just clamped in there. So, that comes off. Usually has this little thing here. I always throw it in with my brass. It don't have much weight. But now, if you're after the magnets, all you got to do is just pull it right off. Just slide it straight out. Okay. One. And then that comes out. These are aluminum. I don't mess with them. They're pretty well pressed on there. Okay. That's ready for shred. The other magnet just comes right off. These things come in handy. They're pretty strong magnets. Alright, so that in with the shred. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put those parts back inside the microwave. Now this, let me make sure I'm still recording. I am. Now, this transformer here, you'll look at it and you're like, oh wow, that's a lot of copper. It's not. It's not. The larger wire, 99% of the time, it's aluminum. The finer wire coil up top, that's the one that's copper. Usually screwed in on the bottom, from the bottom. Always take the bottom screw out first, because it does have a bit of weight. Take the other one, get the old classic reach around. Give the insulated wires a clip. This one, these, they're, turn it this way, shaped like an E. Then it has this cap on it. Hit it with a, you can weld on it with a hammer or a chisel, and all you want to do is break that weld, and this top cap will come off, and then you can tap them out. Just turn it over, have it straddling something, knock them out. Okay. Oh, you're done. No. But wait, there's more. a screw down on the bottom. What the heck? Let's open that. There. Sometimes these fans, they'll have them situated, and you could just pop the copper wire right off there. This one is not so lucky on this one. A couple screws, and there's usually just a tabs that hook up in there. Sometimes you can just reach in there, reach in with a pair of pliers, pop it right out. This one here is being difficult, which in a way is good, because if it would have been popping out, it's like, oh, why can't I get that to work for me? I could bang on it with a hammer and knock it out. Alright. Blades are usually just slid right on, no connector holding on. And this just pounds right out. Let's see if we can get this one. Just press fit it in there. Comes out. Just break these off. And copper disc comes. A lot of times I put these in a bucket and keep on keeping on, and then it comes time to do that bucket, and it becomes a major ordeal. Alright, finish that one up. These usually have a little piece of ferrite in there. Really should be wearing gloves. that little piece out. That goes with shred. And that goes with the copper. Okay. We're done with this. Sometimes, you want to save yourself a couple bucks. Hold on to the light bulb. Alright, so all this is shred. I've been told a few. Oh, hold on to the plate, sell the plate on eBay. I don't know about you, but I don't have the space to warehouse stuff like this. Probably for another 10 bucks. Okay, so now we got this. Now this board, they have timers on them and switches. Comes out. Pull that out. These switches here. A little button there. That's silver. And it's sitting on top of copper. This whole thing is copper. There's two of them in there. Get this other side off. What I do, I get in close to it, just clip it off. This here, it can go in #1 copper, but it's like so light. I don't get a lot of #1 copper, so I just put it in with my #2. And then it has these windings here. Which there's not a whole lot there. It's good for downtime to give you something to do, make money. One way to tell if it's one of those switches is take a bite on the side with your side cutters, and if it crushes, it's going to be that. This transformer, I don't mess with them. My yard, they won't take them. They say they're too small. This IC chip, could have gold in it, could not. Little bonding wires. Crystal oscillator that has silver in it. I don't really mess with them because they're so small and they're a pain to try to open. For a little bit of silver that's going to be in there, it's really not worth it. Okay, these IC chips, I usually just break the board and get that out of there. Now these started. These tracers on here, that's silver. So what I do is I take it off there, and in between there's going to be a spacer layer. Now, I'm not saying that you got to go and, take, everybody does their scrapping different, but this is how I do it, and I'd love to hear from you. You think I'm crazy for doing this? I don't think so. Okay, so we got a little bit of copper, a little bit of wire, a little bit of silver. Eventually I intend on making a video on processing these silver Mylars. Okay, now then. Personal preference, mine, is that I like putting the stuff back together, putting it back together again. And it all depends on how nice it is being to me, and this one here is not being too kind. So, oh, one more thing. These going around here on this motor, the cooling fan. If you feel inclined to do so, that's copper as well. I normally don't go after it. I don't bother with it. I'm just doing it to show you how it comes out. You get one side clipped, the side that's not soldered. And it should just pull right out. But it just fell right out there. Okay, so I'm not going to bother putting this together on camera. It just saves time to put loading up and whatnot. If you find it informative, let me know. If you got any questions, ask. Think I should be doing anything different? Let me know. If you have